Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress offline. Developing locally offers numerous advantages, such as faster loading times and the ability to work without an internet connection. It's perfect for testing new themes, plugins, or custom code without affecting a live site. You can experiment freely, making as many changes as you like, and resolve any issues before your website goes public. This approach saves time and reduces potential risks significantly. To begin, you'll need to set up a local server environment on your computer. Popular options include XAMPP, WAMP, or Local by Flywheel. Download and install your chosen software, then start the Apache and MySQL services. Next, create a new database for your WordPress installation, typically through PHP-MyAdmin. This foundational step prepares your system to host a fully functional WordPress site locally. With your local server running, the next step is to install WordPress itself. First, download the latest version from the official WordPress.org website. Extract the downloaded files into your local server's web directory, often named htdocs or www. Then, navigate to your local host address in a web browser to begin the famous 5-minute installation process, connecting it to the database you just created. Now you can develop your WordPress site entirely offline, enjoying rapid changes and instant feedback without any internet dependency. Once your site is ready, migrating it to a live web server is straightforward. You can use plugins like All-in-One WP Migration or Duplicator to package your entire site, including the database, into one file. Upload this file to your live host, and your offline work will be online in minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.